What if life isn't something you struggle to control, but something you learn to navigate? What if there's a way to shift your reality, not through force, but through flow? Welcome to Reality Transurfing, a method that helps you glide into the life you actually want. Reality Transurfing is a model of consciousness, a way of interacting with the world around you that changes how reality responds. It's not positive thinking. It's not just believe and it will come. It's a system for switching to the version of reality where your desired outcomes already exist. No forcing, no struggle, just alignment and action in the right direction. Let's explore the key ideas. Space of variations. Imagine life as a field of infinite possibilities. Every choice, emotion, and thought shifts you toward a different version of reality. Pendulums. Invisible energy structures, like social trends, fears, or beliefs, that pull your attention and feed off your emotional energy. They distract you from your true path. Importance. When you make something too important, you create excess potential, tension, and reality pushes back. Letting go of that pressure brings balance. Slides. A slide is your inner picture of a desired reality. By visualizing it with emotional neutrality, you train your attention and shift your position in the field. Outer intention. Instead of trying to control everything, you align with the natural flow of events. The right opportunities start coming to you, effortlessly. Most people live reactively, chasing outcomes, overthinking, stressing. Transurfing flips the process. Instead of make it happen, you learn to tune in. Choose. Allow. Glide. The version of life you want already exists. You just have to shift toward it. You wake up stressed. You get pulled into other people's agendas. You try harder, but feel stuck. Transurfing shows another way. Less tension, more awareness, real movement. It's about becoming the navigator of your own life, not a passenger in someone else's story. This channel is your space to learn transurfing in a way that's clear, modern, and practical. Visual guides, weekly tools, and simple steps you can apply right now. Subscribe if you're done with struggle and ready to glide. In the next video, we'll uncover the invisible energies that secretly control your attention and how to break free.